Justin, what should we do first?
Find the greatest common factor.
Question, is there a greatest common factor? Okay. No, that is correct. There always is going to be a greatest common factor of 1, but I would not write something like this. Justin says, don't do that. Yes, there is a factor of 1, but not as important to us. All right, Justin, what to do next?
The X box, the X. 100 goes on top.
So A times C is 100.
Negative 20 goes on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Negative 10.
That is correct. Raise your hand if your X looks like that. Now again, some of you guys can do this in your heads. Raise your hand if you're doing it in your head. When they become more difficult, you might want to use this. So just do it while it's easy. Thank you, Justin. So I have an N. What should I write over here now? Justin finished the X puzzle for us.
X minus 10.
We'll just use the variable that we have, D. This is not our final answer. Class, what is the final answer? You have 2 of them. Wouldn't it be annoying on my receipt at the grocery store if I was getting like 3 bunches of bananas, but it listed it out 3 times? No, it's just easier to write. You have a quantity of 3 of that. So this would give you the full credit for that problem. Partner B to partner A, why did I write it like this? Why do I have a space there?
Because there's still technically
Victoria, why do I have a space there? Mary Grace, why do I have a space there? I'm going to place a 0x there. Victoria, what goes here? Raise your hand if you did that. Alright, we'll see why we did that in a second. What is our greatest common factor? David? David? Greatest common factor? 4. David, what's left? Four times something equals 4x squared. 4 times something equals 0x. 4 times something equals negative 36. Positive or negative? Stephanie, let's factor inside here. How do you factor that? Which is what? Uh-huh. So I'm just going to write the coefficient, just the number. What 2 numbers go there, Stephanie? Negative 3 times something equals negative 9. That 3 here is positive. So our final answer is 4 times x minus 3, x plus 3. Raise your hand if you got that. So the reason why I put a placeholder there is so that it is a trinomial in pink, and then that you can use your x box. But if you don't have the placeholder there, you'll have a binomial. You can still use a difference of squares, but it's a different formula and kind of difficult for students to memorize.